Hello everyone, welcome to business studies related YouTube channel MK Business Stuff. Today's discussion topic is depreciation and methods of depreciation. What is depreciation? Depreciation is an accounting method of allocating the cost of a tangible or physical asset over its useful life or life expectancy. Depreciation represents how much of an asset's value has been used up. Let me clear this with an example. Suppose you buy a new mobile phone at $500. You estimate that the lifetime of this device is 5 years. Now tell me, if you used this device 5 years at same rate each year and nothing happens, then how much it cost per year? Answer is $100. Want to know how? It's easy. You have to allocate the cost of the device by its lifetime. That means you have to divide the cost of the device by 5 years. Who is its estimated lifetime? And so answer is $100. Now, method of depreciation. There are three methods of depreciation: straight line method, diminishing charge method, and activity method. Company usually use two diminishing charge method. One is sum of the yard digit method and other double declining method. Straight line method. Straight line depreciation is a common method of depreciation where the value of a fixed asset is reduced gradually over its useful life. The straight line method considers depreciation as a function of time rather than a function of usage. Companies widely used this method because of its simplicity. Here the computation of depreciation in straight line method. Cost minus residual value divided by estimated service life. Let me clear this with an example. Suppose you buy a mobile phone that cost $1,000. You estimate that you will use this device 5 years and expect 1,000 residual value. Here, cost of the asset is $1,000, estimated service life is 5 years, and residual value $100. So the depreciation cost per year is $180. Diminishing charge method. The diminishing charge method provides for a higher depreciation cost in the earlier years and lower charges in the later period. Because these methods allow for higher earlier charges than in the straight line method, they are often called accelerated depreciation method. Generally, companies use one of the two diminishing charge method, the sum of the year digit method and declining balance method. Sum of the year digits method. Sum of the year's digits method result in a decreasing depreciation charge based on a decreasing fraction of depreciable cost. Here, depreciable cost equal to original cost less residual value. Each fraction uses the sum of the years as a denominator. The numerator is the number of years of estimated life remaining as of the beginning of the year. In this method, the numerator decreases year by year and the denominator remains constant. At the end of the asset's useful life, the balance should equal the residual value. Here is an example of sum of the years digits method. Declining balance method. The declining balance method utilizes a depreciation rate expressed as percentage that is some multiple of straight line method. For example, the double declining rate for a 10-year asset is 20%. Companies apply the constant rate of the declining book value each year. Suggested formula for determining depreciation rate in double declining method is as follows. Activity method. The activity method assumes that depreciation is a function of use or productivity instead of the passage of time. A company considers the life of an asset in terms of either the output it provides or an input measure such as the numbers of hours it works. Here is the formula of activity method, that is cost minus salvage value into actual activity performed during the period divided by total estimated life. Example, suppose ABC company purchased a truck that will give service 4,000 hours of its lifetime. It cost $10,000 and the residual value is $1,000. ABC company uses the truck for 200 hours the first year. So the depreciation charge for this year is $415. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel, share this channel with your friends and check our previous videos. Thank you.